Okay, first off, before we get into anything, disable the stable volume setting on this video, because if you don't, you won't be able to hear an accurate representation of what I'm doing in this tutorial. I spent years analyzing and reproducing the sound and styles of other artists, and while that can be fun and rewarding at times, it's hard to do that week after week after week without starting to lose sight of what it was that initially inspired you to create. I had to take a step back, reassess, and try to figure out why I was so unmotivated. And the conclusion I came to was that I no longer had any passion or personal investment in what I was creating. So I set out to make a passion project, something that I cared about. When I was starting work on my album, I was very particular about the types of sounds I'd be using, and I wanted to maintain a somewhat lo-fi aesthetic. So one of the first things I did was create a sound kit for myself. I'm not sure if I'm going to release this or not, but maybe. And I knew that I wanted to lean into more boom bap lo-fi type music. And this project wasn't about chasing trends. It was about expressing myself. The Nothing to Lose beat was one of the first beats that I made for the album. It has 2 piano sections. The chorus has simplified chords, and the verse has the chords plus a top-line melody. Next, I added a sax solo. And this is why I opted to go with simple piano chords during the chorus section, because the main piano melody would have clashed with my sax solo. Here's my bass line. It kind of sounds weird out of context, so let's play it alongside the piano. And here's my drum pattern. And actually in the finished song, I think I had the bass playing during the intro section, which wasn't my initial plan, but I decided that it sounded better like that last minute. And there it is. I'm happy with how this one turned out. If you want to check out the final version of this song, there's going to be a link down below to my EP.
For me to let that apathy in, the heart muscles atrophy so naturally then. Imagine when I tried to latch on every fashion and trend. I burnt the candlestick wick and I match at each end. This ain't the same old shit, it's a vague post bit to drive a lil mo engagements in my page mo quick. It's like the first sign of thirst, third eyes opening. Bird's eye view of that block where you was posted in. Was you searching for crime?